All right, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do the Michael Jackson Beat It dance as quickly as possible. We're gonna get right into it. The first thing you're gonna do, step with that right foot and your right hand is just going out. And you're gonna keep this going. Now the key with this is a little bit of a bounce. So it's here, drop, here, drop, here, drop, and 4 times. Nice, we'll back it up a little bit. After those 4 steps, you're reaching up with your right hand, up with your left hand. You're gonna repeat it, but this time you're gonna add the feet. Out with the right foot, out with the left foot. Now, the key to this dance, the key to all of Michael's dances is you have to be sharp. He had a lot of precision, a lot of energy, so you don't wanna just throw your hands up and throw your legs out. You wanna think, stop, 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 stop. Really clean, and notice how I'm leaning with it a little bit too. So that's right hand with the foot, left hand with the foot. Nice, from here, you're gonna go a grab, you're gonna pull those hips in, then you're gonna go a grab again, pull the hips. So after the reach, you go a grab, pull, a grab, pull. Nice, we're gonna add on from here. You're gonna go left, right, crossing over, arms go out. You're just gonna unwind and turn it to the back. Same thing again, cross, unwind, turn it back to the front. Nice, let's go from the top one time, put all that together. 7, 8, you got beat it, 2, 3, and a 5, and a 7, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, a grab, pull, cross 1, 2, cross 3, 4. Nice, from here, you're gonna hit this little push, and you're just turning your shoulders really sharp. Shoom, shoom. Then you're gonna come back to the front, whoop, and you're gonna hit this little bounce. Now, in the first, he repeats this a few times in the music video. In some of them, he just goes twist, and he holds. I love this one where he goes da-da, which is like one of the second or third times that he does it, da-da. And then you're gonna go into this zoom and zoom. And this is basically just a body roll, but you're adding your arms at the same time. Arms are swooping back and up, and then backing up. And then the last step, you're gonna do this little swing. And that right arm, just like at the beginning, is kicking out like this. The key to this is you wanna lean back and you're just letting your hips do the work with that arm. But this lean is really important because otherwise it looks like this, which doesn't look very good or like anything. So you wanna lean into that back leg. And some of the dancers do it like with their leg too, so you can kind of style that how you want. And that's it. So you got it down. Let's try from the top, and remember, add that energy, add that precision. We go 5, 6, 7, you start. Beat it, 2, 3, 8, 5, and 7. You go 1, 2, sharp, grab, hey, grab, turn it, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and bing, pop, go swoop, and hey. Nice. Good, so notice how, as I'm playing with it, I'm not just always looking to the front too. Even on these, like Michael will look to the side sometimes, and then kind of come back to the front. On these two, he kind of has like moments where he looks away from the camera and then comes back to it. So once you get the steps down, try to take it from being robotic and just into the mirror, into the camera, and add some natural personality, pretend like you're performing it for a crowd. And that's it. If you got it down, make sure you post up some videos, tag me at Matt Steffanina so I can check them out, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next one.